Good afternoon. Generally, we make affidavit and we don't bother while making an affidavit because we make simple affidavit and the contents should be mentioned in the affidavit. Sometimes we ignore. And while making an affidavit, we should be very careful because affidavit, when we produce in the consent court, it is not a simple document. It's a document where we provide our essential and important information which is required by the consent court. Sometimes the information we required in the court we feel that is so general that we can mention everything in affidavit, but never do that because it is basically oath which we give in the affidavit, and based on the affidavit sometimes we get release from the consent court also because whatever we mention in the court affidavit we confirm and we say to the best of my knowledge and brief to the that the above mentioned facts are true and correct. So whatever the facts you mention in the affidavit, that should be very particular and we should be very to the point. While mentioning the affidavit, you should take care what the court has expect from you, and you have to mention all the details in the affidavit, and affidavit to be short and brief, and it should not be very lengthy and long. Whatever you want to mention in the affidavit and the requirement which is desired by the concerned government authority, only that point has to be mentioned. Nothing else has to be mentioned in the affidavit because it will not go in favor of you, because while filing the petition we mention lot of things in the petition, and when we file the affidavit we feel that affidavit is not lengthy, so it doesn't work in the court. But don't think in that way, because affidavit has more value and more, sometimes this affidavit you become release also, because generally court asks for the affidavit to the brief and short. So if the court has said that you should mention date of birth in the affidavit, then you have to only mention date of birth in the affidavit, and that should be in figure and in words also. So if you are mentioning the amount, that should be in figure, in amount, in words also. It's like you said 1600 amount, that should be in figure 1600 amount, and figure you have to mention in the word also 1600 only. In that way you can mention, and so many things are, this is an example that you are mentioning in the affidavit. The rest of the thing, when you while making an affidavit, that should be correct. And while giving a statement, this affidavit is valid for 6 months, and if you are mentioning in the court, that is forever, when the court is till the matter goes on, and that you have to submit in the court, because based on the affidavit